Let's talk about Bitcoin 2026 coming up April 29th. Andrew, you're going to be speaking about Spaces Protocol on Wednesday, April 29th, last day of the conference at 12:15. You're going to be doing a workshop on Spaces Protocol.
That's right. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this one. I did actually last year. I volunteered for the conference, and honestly, even you might not think that that's a good way to go, but it's I found it was an awesome way to go.
So you volunteered, and you got in there, right? You were helping out?
Yeah, I was helping out last year, and it got me access to a lot of places and people. And yeah, you have to do some work, but you get a free ticket. I mean, you still have to pay for your hotel and flight, but it's like you do some work, you get to meet the people that are running the whole conference. You get to meet people that, you probably wouldn't get to meet otherwise, because you're kind of part of the crew behind the scenes, which is kind of cool. And all the other volunteers they're very passionate Bitcoiners. So you're kind of rubbing shoulders with folks that are like-minded, and that's always nice, So anyway, I'm going to be, I put in for a speakership position, got selected, and I'm going to be holding a workshop. So if you go, I pulled up the agenda page. So if you go to 2026.b.tc/agenda, and you go in the search bar, you'll type in Lunde. That's my last name. Here I am, Andrew Lunde.
Nice.
Spaces Protocol, Sovereign Bitcoin Identity. So yeah, I'm gonna work into a bit of the initial talk, how some of the needs around decentralized identity. So it's got a bit of an identity sort of slant to it, but the bulk of it's going to be talking about Spaces Protocol. And if you come and are in attendance, I got Bitcoin 2026 is a top level name I've registered for this.
Very nice.
So I'm going to be, as part of the workshop, we're going to be giving away sub names under this. So Jason at Bitcoin 2026, if you attended, so we can, and then that way people can walk away with their own piece of sovereign identity, right? Their own
awesome
name.
That's awesome.
So again, that's on Wednesday, the last day of the thing, around noon. That's in Vegas. So I'm looking forward to meeting a lot of folks there. If you're attending and are interested in the topic, please drop by. Or if you can't, if it conflicts with something else, reach out to me. The best way to catch me is on LinkedIn. It's probably the easiest. Just go to LinkedIn /Andrew Lunde. That's my name all jammed together. ANDREWLUNDE. And drop me a message on LinkedIn. It's probably the easiest thing. Or if you can remember it, my email is also andrew@lunde.com. So just drop me an email, and we'll figure it out. We'll hook up. So that'll be fun.
Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah. So now that you're a speaker, are you getting your flight and hotel paid for?
No, they don't.
Dang.
Yeah, it's kind of I think you have to be one of these, top level speakers. Let's see. Yeah.
Then you get paid to speak.
Let's see. If you're Afro Man.
Dang, Afro Man's going to be there. Okay.
I thought this was like a April Fool's joke when I saw it.
Apparently not. He's there. USA.
He's like right up there with Michael Saylor. Looks like Paul Atkins, the SEC chair. So, come out the CFTC. So we're getting both the regulatory agency representation. David Bailey runs the thing. So, of course, everyone. So Jack, maybe I'll get a chance to meet Jack. I've met Cynthia.
Nice.
Met her. I've met Adam. I've met David. So, there's going to be some great folks. Caitlin Long, so Custodia.
That's cool.
I've met Matt here. He's up in Nashville. So yeah, there's Jeff Booth we were mentioning. There's going to be some good speakers. So yeah, I'm in the third string of speakers, but hey, there I am.
There he
But hey,
is. Look at that. You
whatever.
made it.
It's like you got to start somewhere, right?
Yep. You
Or
made it.
Austin Kelsley is he's with Voltage, or last time I heard talk to him he was. So some good folks. So actually Avec Roy, I actually presented one of his Satoshi papers articles at one of our BitPlebs meetings. So maybe I'll get a chance to meet him. That'd be good too. So,
Nice.
anyway, please come out. It's a good time, and I have actually a couple tickets. If anybody needs a ticket, I've got a couple I can give away for just
Sweet.
a general admission.
So you did get a perk though. You got some free tickets.
Yeah, I did get a couple. Yeah, a couple free tickets.
Nice.
So what's the cost of a ticket these days? Let's see. They keep changing these things. Well, I guess $400. So right now,
I like how they put the Satoshi, 746,000 Satoshis.
You know what that is? That's this this plugin.
That plugin's awesome.
Yeah, have you ever seen this opportunity cost plugin? So you can disable it and it won't show you the Satoshi price.
Oh man, they got to work that in. I love that. That's so cool.
That's
going to
great
really
thing.
help everybody understand Bitcoin and
yeah, this actually it does tie exactly into what we were talking about. So yeah, I'd recommend anybody get this. So Marty Bent, he runs the Truth for the Commoner podcast, TFTC, and I'm sure it's
now. Is this open source?
Yeah,
it is. Hey,
yeah,
nice.
Yeah, here's this little newsletter. So tfctc.io/Bitcoin-brief. I highly recommend it. I've met Marty at the Vegas conference last year and got to chat with them. Yeah, great. It's great to like kind of rub elbows with some of these influencers and stuff, and just they're real folks too, and it's a great opportunity to kind of like network. So yeah, I also caught him at the Nashville conference, Imagine If conference last fall. So that was, got to like work the circuit, I guess.
Yeah, that's really cool, man. You're going to be speaking, doing a workshop at Bitcoin 2026 Las Vegas. Awesome, dude. Spaces Protocol making it to the big scene.